The American Welding Society has said over the next 5 to 6 years, there's an expected shortage of 350,000 welders. So by providing a lot of people the basic fundamental skills of welding, it provides them a way to earn a good living and, contribute to building America.
I always worked with my dad doing stuff like this, and I always seen welders on job sites, and I always thought it was really cool, so I wanted to get into that.
I started learning about all the welding stuff upstairs, and it intrigued me a lot.
We do a lot of cool stuff with welding, and I think the stick welding has definitely been my favorite so far.
So this program is really a one-of-a-kind, definitely in District 11, but in Colorado Springs for a high school level program. The district has committed to make this a college level facility, not a high school level facility.
With this commitment comes funding to remodel and update the shop.
The update will go from currently 7-8 welding stations with what we began with just 8 wire feed MIG welders. So we will end up with 18 welding stations with MIG welders, stick welders, and TIG welders.
The students share Covington's excitement to see an updated shop.
Being able to see more welding stations and just to see how cool the welding room can turn out, honestly, it's gonna be pretty cool.
What's really exciting about going forward is our curriculum mirrors Pikes Peak State College. So every course that we teach here, students have an opportunity to articulate credit hours towards Pikes Peak State College. The potential to leave here with part of an associate's degree in welding is huge.
The summer can't come soon enough for Covington because that's when the remodel begins. By the time August rolls around, the shop will be ready for its new students and a new life.